Hello student, I am Dr. Tina. Today I will teach you data structure means data and type of data structure. Data means some raw facts, means some kind of information. Structure means we are just like a container, in that we store these data in a organized way. Organized means if we have some data like 0, 5, 1, 2, 10. What do you think? These data have not organized. Organized means we are storing that data in a manner like ascending order or descending order. If we store these data like that 1, 2, 5, 10, 11, or we can store like that 11, 10, 5, 2, 1, 0, means we are storing that data in an organized way. It means we are using data structure. This is a ascending order, this is a descending order. Why we need data structure? Data structure, we have various reasons to use the data structure, because we need modified our data, we need assessing our data, we need manipulate our data, or we need store our data in an organization way. These are the reason why we need data structure. Data structure, we have various operations we can perform on data structure. We can insert an element in a data, we can delete an element from the data, we can search any element from the data. Traversing is like a traveling. We assessing at least one time all data, visiting all data in data structure in a particular order. Sorting means we are arranging the data in any manner. We can arrange in ascending order or we can arrange like a descending order. Merging means we can merge two files, more than two files is called the merging. Classification of data means we have various type of data structure like linear structure, non-linear structure. Linear means we are storing our data in a sequence way, is called the linear. We have various type in linear: static data structure and dynamic data structure. Static data structure is array, dynamic data structure is queue, stack, linked list. Non-linear means we arranging as a hierarchical way, means in a parent-child way. First we have linear data. First we discuss about the array. Array is the collection of similar type of data. We can store that data in array. Like we have this data. This bracket is called the subscript. Subscript indicate the compiler user using the array. This is the dimension. Dimension indicate that these are the value, how many values we are storing in data. If 5 indicate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means we are using 5 values in our array. This is the memory representation of array. This indicate the location of that array, means 0 location contain the value of 2 in array, 1 location contain the value of 4, 2 value contain the value of 8, 3 contain the value of 12, or 4 location contain the value of 16. Now second type of data structure is linked list. List means collection of some elements. Linked establish the some relation between these elements. Collectively it's called the linked list. A linked list have two parts. One contain the information and second contain the, this is also called link part. This contain the address of the next node. All we can say linked list is also a collection of nodes. Suppose A, B, C are our information. It's a info part. this is called the link part, or we can say address part. That contain the address of the, this part contain address of the next node. Suppose address of that, we are supposing that address of the B information is the 510, means that link part contain 510. We have a start node. Start node have only one part. This is called the link part or address part. That contain the first node, that contain the address of the first node. If we are saying that address of the information A is 410, means in start address we storing in start node contain the address of the first node. If we are saying कि A, address of the A is 410, means start node have take the address of 410. We can, that start node link like that, means 410, 410, 510, 610, 755, means in internally that data store like that. 6. This is the null part. Null indicating our linked list. We have no further node after that node. Means our linked list is complete. This is also called head node, or this is called the tail node, or this is the start node. Stack. Stack is one type of linear data structure. It follow the rule of LIFO. LIFO means last in, first out. A stack have a top, one end. In that top, like that, top is the end that contain the last inserted or last deleted element. Suppose if we are inserting, this is a stack, we initialize stack top equal to -1. If we are inserting a element in a stack, means if we are inserting top, if I am inserting A, then position of the top is 0. If I am inserting B, then top equal to top plus 1. Means position of the top is right now here 1, 2, 3. First, when we inserting an element, first we increment the position of the top, then we can insert element. First we increase the position of the top, then we can insert element C. This insertion stack follow two operation, push and pop. Push means inserting an element, pop means deleting an element. Pop stack is follow the LIFO rule. LIFO means last in, first out. Just like the heap of books. If we insert that book in last, we pop them first. Suppose if we inserting C at the last, but when we perform the pop operation, first we pop that element C. So it means stack follow the LIFO rule. Next is the operation of stack. We will describe push, pop, top. Top is a element, is a end that contain the last inserted or deleting element, means last pop or push element address contain the top. Size means size of the stack is empty if it indicating, if initialize top equal to -1, it indicating कि stack is empty. Next is queue. Queue is similar like stack means it's also a linear data structure, but the saving of data is a different way. It follow the FIFO rule. FIFO means first in, first out, means like a simple queue, like railway reservation or flight reservation, follow the FIFO rule. In FIFO, we have two ends. First is rear end and second is front end. Front, we delete, queue follow the two operations, insertion and deletion. We performing the deletion from the front end, or rear, we are insert an element from the rear. This is DQ, deletion also called the DQ, and insertion also called the InQ. Suppose we insert an element first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we delete element, means DQ element from that queue, first we delete the element 2 because queue follow the FIFO rule. Next is operation of queue. जैसे we discuss NQ, DQ, front and rear. When we inserting an element from the rear end and we deleting element from the, when we DQ from the front. Front end is used to delete an element from the queue. Full means maximum size. Queue, maximum size indicated the queue is full, or null. Null means if rear and front equal to -1 indicating queue is null. Next is non-linear data structure. As like we discussed in the first slide, we have two type of data structure, linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Already we discussed the array, queue, stack, linked list. These are the linear type of data structure. Array, we consider array as a static data structure because static means we know the pre-requirement. Just like when we recharge our phone as a pre-mode, means pre. If we recharge our phone in 500, so we can use 500 only. So it means array is a static data structure. Dynamically, we can change our size at the runtime. That's why these are called the dynamic data structure, because stack or queue we can use as a array or as a linked list also. Now we are discussing about the non-linear data structure is tree and graph. Now we switch on tree. Tree is a non-linear data structure. Non-linear means it save the data in a hierarchical way in parent-child form. This is the example of tree. Tree have various node 2, 3, 0. A first node of the tree is indicating as the root of the tree. This indicating left subtree or this indicating the right subtree. Parent node. This is the root node. This is parent node because it have two childs D and E. D and E also called the siblings because parent are same. B is the parent of D and E. Similar in that way, I or J is the child of D. Means we can say D is the parent node. I or J. These are the child node because they don't have further child. We can say these are the terminal node. Terminal node are I, J, K, F, G, H. These are the terminal node because they don't have child. Or we can say these are the external node also. Level. we indicating root as a 0 level, further level 1, level 2, level 3, or we divide our, this is a left subtree or right subtree. When we traveling that tree from top to bottom and left to right, top to bottom and left to right, this is the way traversing the tree. Now next data structure is a binary tree. Binary tree is one type of tree. Difference between binary tree and tree have various child node, but binary tree have only 0, 1, 2. 2 node binary tree. Binary tree only have 2 child at every one. One is the root node, 2, 3 are the child of A, and 4, 5, 6, 7 is the child node or terminal node, or we can say external node also. Binary tree contain 0, 1, 2 child. Graph. Next, non-linear data structure is the graph. Graph is combination of vertex and edges, like that. This vowel is called the vertex. This connecting of two vertex is called the edges. Edges connect the two vertices, like this edge connect 1 or 2. This edge connect 0 or 2, or this edge connect 0 or 1. This is the matrix representation of the graph, like 0. Link of 0 with 1 and 2. Means if 0 have self loop, then we can indicate it 1. But right now we don't have any self loop, means 0 have no connection with 0, 0 connection with 1. That's why we putting in adjustment matrix 1, 0 connected with 2, we 0 connected with 1, indicating 1 represent the link of between 0 or 1, 0 connected with 1, 1 connected with 0, 1 connected with 2, but there is no self loop, means 0, 1 not connected itself. Same with 2 connected with 0, it indicated 1. This one shows the connection between these vertices. 2 connected with 0, 2 connected with 1, same. 2 don't have self loop, so 2 not connected with itself. We have two type of graph, directed graph or undirected graph. Undirected graph, there is no direction between these vertices. This is the directed graph that show the direction between these. 1 means the path exists between 1 or 2, but path not exist between 2 or 1. We can reach 1 from 2, but we can't reach 2 to 1. Same with, we can reach 2 from 0, but we can't reach from 0 to 2. This is show the link. 1, there is no path. 0, 1, 1, 2, 0 have no path, means we can't reach from 0 to 2 or 0 to 1. 2, we can reach 2 from, we can reach from 2, 0, or we can indicating as like 1. These are the application of data structure, where we can use data structure in artificial intelligence, compile design, machine learning, database design, blockchain, numerical, operating system, speech processing, cryptography. These are the some advantage or disadvantage of the data structure. When data structure is a collection of data, but when we manipulating that data, maybe result is wrong or right. These are the references. Thank you students for today. Now we will meet in next lecture.